Hi, my name is Michaela Bequette, and I'm presenting my unit on Weather and Climate designed for 3rd grade. This unit is focused on climates around the world and the different elements of weather that affect a region's climate. The unit addresses the 3rd grade Common Core Next Generation Science Standards, where students will be learning about the weather and climate in different regions. Students will be recording weather patterns in different regions and will predict the weather patterns in the following days. This unit is integrated with Common Core math standards, where students will be collecting and representing data with a bar graph. The International Society for Technology and Education standards are addressed as well. The main technologies students will be using throughout the unit are iPads, various apps such as Pages, Numbers, Wonder Map, Wonder Station, and various websites to do research. The students will also be blogging about their chosen region and climate. Students will be recording the weather patterns in a given region, will graph the data and calculate the averages. All of Bloom's levels of taxonomy and Web's depth of knowledge levels are addressed in the activities that they will be participating in and the products that they will be creating. Students learn in many different ways, and it is important for educators to teach to their students' strengths. Students will be tapping into their different intelligences in order to learn about the elements of weather and how elements impact the climate in the region of their choosing. Throughout the unit, students will be working in groups, which will benefit interpersonal learners, but intrapersonal learners will also have opportunities to work on their own and will be blogging about their learning in their region. Verbal and linguistic learners will enjoy reading about elements of weather and what makes each climate unique. They will be discussing their learning in groups throughout the unit, which will benefit interpersonal learners as well. Students will be collecting data and organizing it in numbers and will then be categorizing their data and creating graphs to depict the information, which will be beneficial to logical and naturalist learners. Visual learners will be looking at maps and many images of the climates and regions and will sketch images in their iPads for different concepts. The kinesthetic learners will enjoy a movement activity where students have to move around and find fellow students with matching definitions and concepts. Musical learners will benefit from learning a song about weather and climate and will have the opportunity to create their own song about their region. This course has given me a further understanding of Gardner's multiple intelligences and Web's depth of knowledge. It has taught me about how important technology is and how it can be used to enhance learning in a fun and engaging way to reach all the different intelligences. I find that the different intelligences are always on my mind when I'm making lesson plans, and I know I have a great technology toolbox to pull from to incorporate into my lessons. I am looking forward to being able to expand it even further in the years to come.